In front of me is Cubot Note 50, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy section. Then choose Permission Manager and tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage. Then select one of your apps and apply the best option for you. For example, I will go into Contacts, click on Chrome, and select Allow. So when I do that and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's contacts. You can also tap on one of those features, select one of your apps, but this time hit See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!